Welcome to the SpeareShake channel. I'm Chris Crawford. I first joined the computer games industry many years ago when we were still using flint tools to chop out our program code. I became something of a big shot in the industry, but that was a long time ago when I still had hair. But 25 years ago, I walked away from the games industry. Actually, I ran away. I was convinced that the future lay in interactive storytelling, which emphasizes drama over action, people, not things. I figured this was a big job and it might take me 2, maybe 3 years to solve the problem. That was 25 years ago and I still haven't solved the problem. I built a technology called Storytron, which every year I made bigger and better and bigger and better until it was so glorious, so magnificent that it was utterly incomprehensible. So I decided to strip down storytelling to the absolute minimum, the teeniest, tiniest version that could still be made interactive. The result is a program called SpeareShake. About a dozen hardcore aficionados have joined with me to help bring this thing to the public eventually. We meet every week on Zoom to discuss games, interactivities, stories, technology, theory, philosophy, and whether Mickey Mouse is better than Donald Duck. We record these meetings and publish them here on YouTube for your entertainment. Now, I personally guarantee that no matter what your tastes or interests are, you will find something on this channel that you will hate.